Hello there, Ívar by Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we are going to tie a fly called Engjaflugan. But Engjaflugan is a nymph by Jón Pedersen. Jón Pedersen used to be my other mentor in fly fishing and fly tying, so I had the privilege to know both Jón Pedersen and Jón Sigurðsson. Engjaflugan is a really effective fly when it comes to fishing Arctic char, especially. It's a relatively simple fly and it's not difficult to tie, not at all. And we are tying this on regular hook number 10 and down to 16. And we'll start by attaching the thread and then attach the copper wire of the fly. Then we wrap the copper wire around the body, form the body like that. Do a little fast forward here, but we'll finish off the copper wire job right now and secure the thread down. And there the thread broke, and I'm just showing you people that there is not a big deal if the thread breaks, because you'll just rethread the bobbin and do that here. And the most important part is when it comes to attach the thread again, you have to find the old thread and wrap the new thread over that and do that tight enough so it will stay in place. In this case, you'll re-wrap the thread around both the copper wire and the old thread, snip it off, and it's gonna be just fine. No big deal if you break a thread. You'll just helicopter off the wire. A wire like that, and it's no big deal really. Then you start to form the piece that forms the head. Snip this off, and then we will start to work on the hackle of the fly, or the collar. We use a black rooster for this job, and I picked a decent feather there. It's relatively soft. I think it's a slap and fly feather, and you'll measure the length of that and then just attach that down to its place. And then we'll turn the vise around when we have just attached this hard enough. We'll turn the vise around and then start our way to have a look at the wing. We are using a tail of a silver facet for the wing. I think though any gray feather will work like a gray wing from a duck, but I'm using the silver facet according to the pattern, like the original pattern. And one of the very most important thing with this fly is to get the head well done, and then we have to snip off the wing. You'll see that just in a second. Take the scissors and snip it off like this. Just leave like, I don't know, half a centimeter, 4 or 5 millimeters of the wing, and that's it. Then we'll do the whip finishing job. We'll do that securely and snip off the rest of the thread, and then the only thing left is the paintwork. We'll give it like a good coat of varnish. Do that all around the head, and then the fly is ready. Engjaflugan by Jón Pedersen. Thank you guys so much for watching and great reactions to the channel. You may consider to subscribe to the channel or like the video. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment in an email. And yeah, it's a great fly, and it will catch you some fish. And just gonna say thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.